Modify Element is a multi-purpose modification tool that is used to change the spatial coordinates of an element's geometry. So let's jump into MicroStation, where we are going to modify existing line work for some of the walls rather than taking time-consuming steps to delete and redraw the line work. Let's begin by opening the proposed restaurant DGN file. This can be found in the 06 Modifying Elements folder. From the ribbon, let's go ahead and make the Modify Element tool active. Modify Element changes an element's spatial attributes. The type of change that can be made depends on the type of element that you select. You can move a vertex or segment of a line string, or shape. You can scale a block about the opposite vertex. You can modify rounded segments of complex chains and complex shapes created with the Place Smart Line tool. You can change a circle's radius. And you can modify an arc in various ways. Hint: the tool settings will change depending on the element or vertex selected. As we begin here, our first task will be to modify a partial height wall. So let's zoom to the area near column B7. It is here that you will find a partial height wall. Upon taking a closer look, you will notice that the end cap for the wall was not properly snapped to the endpoints of the wall. You will need to utilize the Modify Element tool to come in here and fix the end cap, ensuring that it's snapped properly. So with the Modify tool active, let's identify one of the vertices on the end cap line work. Then, we're going to snap this vertex to the corresponding endpoint on the wall section. So now, we're going to repeat this for the other vertex on the end cap. Up next, we are going to modify the kitchen wall. So, we'll navigate the view now to the kitchen area between columns B5 and B6. Here you will find a screening wall that needs to be modified. With the Modify Element tool still active, let's snap to either the lower left or the lower right corner of the screening wall. We'll issue a data point. Then moving the cursor in a downward direction, we'll hit the Enter key to invoke the AccuDraw Smart Lock shortcut. With the direction constrained, we're going to snap to the corner of the adjacent wall, thus making it flush with the face of the horizontal wall. And finally, we'll issue a data point. The wall, as you can see, updates to reflect the modification. Hint: for now, we are finished working with the Modify Element tool. In an upcoming task, we will utilize this same tool to modify dimensions. During this lesson, you learned how to utilize the Modify Element tool.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.